Hey guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. Coming to you with a little Chanel unboxing. I'm going to need your help because I am torn between two pieces. Now, if you've watched my latest short, you might have an idea as to what I'm talking about, but the first purchase came from Saks, and initially when I saw this item online, I was torn between two different colors. I saw one color in the Chanel store, I saw the other color in Saks, and I had a Saks gift card, so I opted to go with that one. But then when the other color came back in stock online, I decided to pick it up and see which one I love more, but I think I'm going to need your help because I really do like them both. So this is the first item. It is a pair of sunglasses, as you might be able to guess from the box. And again, if you saw my short, and inside of the box you have this really pretty Chanel case. Now they did change the cases. I'm gonna go grab the old case so that you can see the difference real quick. So this is the case that I have got with previous purchases of Chanel sunglasses. It's a leather case, and on the back you have the Chanel quilting. On the front here you have Chanel, and then inside it is lined with like a velvety felt, and then in there you have the sunglasses. Now the new cases, or at least the ones that I've been seeing this season, and I think I saw these last year as well, they're a canvas case. They do have the Chanel quilting. You have the little Chanel logo right here, and then on the inside it's just the same design, and there's a peek at the sunglasses. So let's go ahead and pull them out. These sunglasses are from the summer collection that are currently out. And you might see the mess in my room in the reflection of my sunglasses. You'll have to excuse that. It's laundry day. But these are the sunglasses. Now they are two-tone butterfly shaped sunglasses. They are in the beige and the black color. And I really like the shape of sunglasses for my face. I feel like the butterfly shape like really lifts my face up and makes it look nice. They do have these in a square shape. If these shapes don't really work for your face and you like something a little bit funkier, they do have this shield version, which is very 2000s of them. And then if you like something a little bit more classic but a different shape as opposed to the square or the butterfly, you have this cat eye version as well. Now the inside of the glasses, you do have that nice beige color, and then of course you have it here on the side in the logo and at the top and also at the bottom, so it is like a nice little detail. I thought these were very retro and cute, which is why I decided to pick them up. Let me open the other colors so that you can see. So as I mentioned earlier, the other Chanel sunglasses came directly from their website, and it did come packaged in this really nice Chanel box, whereas with Saks it just comes with the sunglass box and the bag from Saks. Now opening this up, they do package it really nicely. I don't know if you could see, but they have this sticker that looks like what is it called when it's like the wax stamp, the wax seal, and it has the logo of Chanel on it. It's really pretty. I actually haven't seen this sticker before, but it has been a while since I have shopped from their website. And then I don't know if you can tell, but the Chanel tissue paper has Chanel written on it, which is really like a nice touch, especially if you're sending a gift to someone. And then right in there, you can see the sunglass box. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out and open this up. And I don't know if you could see, but the sunglass box from Saks was like a little bit dirty. It wasn't in the cleanest condition. This one is nice and pristine. So I think if I were to order sunglasses, like I would prefer to order them from the website or from Chanel directly. That time was just a little bit different because like I mentioned, I had a gift card that I wanted to use. Now both pairs of the sunglasses come with this little Chanel booklet inside. Usually this is like the information about the glasses and the care and all of that. I also got a little glasses cleaner that says Chanel on it. So these are always good to have. Always have these in my purse because I do wear eyeglasses as well. And then again, the case is that nice canvas case. I do like the leather case a lot, but I feel like this one is a little more functional. The leather one, it's big and bulky and it's hard to fit in bags. I think this might be a little bit better, although it is still kind of on the bulky side. So let's pull out the sunglasses, and there are the sunglasses. As you can see, they're white. So they're the same pair of sunglasses, but instead of beige and black, it's white and black. There is a little sticker when you order online that says that this has to be on if you want to make a return, otherwise they won't accept it. So just keep that in mind. But again, inside it's nice and white. You have the white logo and the black and white two-tone. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think. These are the black and white ones. Here are the sunglasses side by side. I have the white and the black on the left, the beige and the black on the right. That's in the square shape on the right there. I did end up getting the butterfly shape, but looking at this, I'm starting to lean more towards the black and the white ones. But again, let me know in the comments below what you think of the two glasses, which one I should keep, because I feel like they're a little too similar to keep both, and I would probably return one of these pairs and then get maybe like a tortoiseshell sunglass so that I have something a little bit different. I already have black, so I wanted something a little fun, which is what these would be, and then again, a classic tortoise. All right, guys, well, that is it for today's video, and thank you so much in advance for your help. I have some fun videos coming up. If you love Dior Beauty, I have all of the loyalty gifts that I'm going to show in a video. I'm just waiting for my platinum gift to arrive, and once I get that, I'm going to share with you everything that you can get for free. I've done some shorts on the gifts that I've already received, and there's some really cute gifts this year. And I'm also planning on doing 2 videos per week. I really want to stick to that because like the last few weeks I haven't really posted very much just because I've been so busy with like work and life, and I really missed YouTube. And I've also been thinking of maybe starting a second channel, not luxury related, but like more Miami related. If that's something that would interest you, maybe you're thinking of moving to Miami and you want to get some tips, see different places that you can go visit or different things to do, that's kind of what I'm thinking for my next channel. So if you're interested, yeah, let me know. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.